Hey everyone, Jordan here with 9 to 5 Toys, and today we're going to be checking out the Mission Workshop Transit Duffle Bag. Duffel bags are a great multi-purpose way to pack along extra gear if you're going to a shoot, or extra clothing if you're going for a short trip. The large main compartment in the middle of here, which is I think 31 liters on the Transit Duffle, is just great to pack along anything that's kind of awkward that you usually can't fit in a backpack. But if you want something that goes further than just a standard duffel, then the Weatherproof Mission Workshop Transit Duffle is definitely a must-see. So let's check it out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications with the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So just like the Spar that we reviewed last year and all of Mission Workshop's bags, this is not a budget option. Mission Workshop uses durable materials matched with a really thoughtful technical design and also makes them in the USA. So when you combine all those things together, this bag comes in at $245. But let's take a closer look at what all you are getting for that price point. The duffel comes in a variety of colors and materials when they are in stock. The gray example that we have here is made out of HT500 nylon, while the camo version is made out of Cordura, and there are options for waxed canvas in olive and brown. And Mission Workshop has made the Transit Duffle ready for any weather conditions with their choice of exterior materials, and also the use of YKK water-resistant coated nylon zippers. The interior of the bag is made out of 140/70 nylon with TPU coating as well. And while this does make the bag a little bit noisy, it's not the quietest bag, it also makes the interior very easy to clean. So now let's get into some more of the technical design and look at all of the pockets that are on here. First off, on the outside here, you can see that Mission Workshop has put different quick stash pockets on all 4 of the sides. These are really great for a water bottle here on the end, or you could fit a shoe or a sneaker in there. These pockets here in the front, they span almost the entire width of the bag, and so you can either stash the carry handles if you're just going to be using the shoulder strap instead, which we'll talk about here in a second, or they can be great for stashing other items as well. It's just a large multi-purpose pocket that you can put in there whatever you need to. And down on the bottom of the exterior here, you can see that Mission Workshop has also included 2 zippered pockets. So these can be great for like rechargeable battery packs or cables or anything that you want to stash in a quick access area, but you also want to make sure that they are protected. But these also use their waterproof zippers as well, so if you have sensitive electronics, this is a great place to put those. And on the other side of the bag, we also see that there's a padded sleeve for laptops. And this fits my 15-inch MacBook Pro perfectly, but I don't think you'll be able to fit in anything bigger than that. It's pretty snug when going in there. And moving to the interior of the bag, this is a 31-liter duffel bag, so it just has a large opening here in the middle where you can stuff anything that you need to. On the inside, there are also 2 quick stash, easy access pockets on either side of the bag as well. So if you want to put something specifically in there that you want to be able to find quickly, there are pockets available for that. And that's about it as far as the interior. It's very simple on the inside. And then one more note about the exterior here is, I'm sure you noticed these straps. Mission Workshop has included these to make it really easy to secure to a bicycle. So depending on the setup of your bicycle, you can put these on the handlebars or on a rear rack. And there's straps at both the top and bottom you can attach, and make that really easy to attach on there. Obviously, as a duffel, we do have just the standard handles up here, which can snap together, so those are always connected. Make it really easy to find the handle. If you're using the shoulder strap, these handles can also be tucked into the side pockets here so they're not visible. And then we do also have the quick adjust removable shoulder strap as well. So this has this really handy handle on the strap that makes it very easy to adjust the size of the strap depending on what you're carrying, where you're carrying it, and how you want that to be. So I've been absolutely loving this bag because of its just multi-purpose, throw anything in it kind of design. I pretty much always have a backpack with me when I'm working outside of the house because I have a laptop and camera gear, and I have specific compartments in that backpack for that. But anytime that I need to take along extra gear like external battery, or if I need to take an extension cord or my drone, this is a great way to do that. And because of its weatherproof design, I don't need to worry about anything getting wet if the weather gets kind of inclement. The variety of pockets and compartments just make it really easy to pack along, no matter what I'm doing. Just like with the Spar and pretty much all of Mission Workshop's bags, I really love the technical design. Obviously, that is a very specific design choice and design aesthetic. It's not going to be for everybody, but personally, I really enjoy the more technical design of the Transit Duffle. At $245, yeah, this is an expensive bag. But like we mentioned earlier, that's because Mission Workshop makes these in the USA. They use high quality materials, and I really think they put a lot of thought and design into the layout of this thing. And on top of that, they also guarantee these bags forever. So if there ever is anything faulty in the bag, you can contact them and work with them to get a replacement. So what do you think of the Transit Duffle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.